everyone, my name is Tejas.
And my name is Arush.
Today we are making these cup telephones. We used two paper cups, a piece of string or thread, and a toothpick. It's important to make sure that your cup is made out of paper so that this experiment does not fail. So now you take your toothpick and make a hole on the bottom of the cup so that you can put the thread in. After you put the thread in, make a knot. Then you just slightly pull it to see if it is tight. And then you do the same with the other cup, and to test it we need to
Make the string straight so that it doesn't block any vibrations and you can hear the other person properly, just like you're talking on a real cell phone.
But you need to make sure you are far but not too far that your string would break. And also, if you're making this right now, please make sure that your cups aren't bent. Thank you for watching.